Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you're looking for a concealer that is light and covers up quite a bit, definitely check this out by Covergirl. This is their Clean Invisible Concealer. It works amazing. I love this porcelain concealer. It does a great job of hiding dark spots under my eyes. It does a wonderful job of hiding the red splotches that I get sometimes above my lip. And I really like how it blends in with my makeup. I use the lotion, my foundation, and then on top I'll use my concealer, and it really blends in nicely. I appreciate the ingredients because it doesn't clog my pores. It's very light and easy to apply. I can add a little more and it still looks really great to me. I love that this color is very true to my skin, especially there's a little bit of lightness under my eyes originally, but because of age, it starts darkening. So this really gives me that youthful appearance that I'm looking for, and it helps my makeup go a lot further. But that's just my point of view.